friends and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Sharmi and today I'm going to talk about the wearables market in India. As you can see, the wearables market in India has been rapidly and exponentially expanding. So today I have with me a new smartwatch. So this is a new watch from Boult, which is more popular for its audio accessories. So this is called the Boult Watch Drift and comes with a couple of premium features at an affordable price tag. Here's the unboxing and first impressions of the same. So this is the new Boult Drift smartwatch. As you can see here, this is the box. It comes with these descriptions and so on. So opening this, the first thing you can see is the user manual and other details about this new smartwatch that's available in the Indian market. And here I have the watch itself. So this is the grey color model over here, and it comes with these sensors and so on. I'll be talking in detail about the design and other specifications of the smartwatch later. So under this you have the charging cable and it looks like the typical magnetic charging device over here. And additionally you also get a warranty card with this smartwatch. So this is the Boult Drift smartwatch over here. And as you can see, I have with me the grey color strap variant. And you can see there is the branding of the company over here on the strap. So a good thing is it comes with easy to detach and reattach strap over here. As you can see, you just have to pull out this pin. So as you can see over here, this is a square dial on the Boult smartwatch. So what Boult has done is it has included a TFT display, which is pretty powerful, and it can be customized to suit your taste and style. So one of the unique things that you can do with the smartwatch is customization to include a lot of different watch faces. So over here, Boult has included over 140 watch faces. So you can, suit and change it to your style and your preference. You get a lot more on the app, which can be easily downloaded from Google Play or the App Store. And additionally, you can also customize the watch face by using any photo from your gallery. So this is another way of personalizing this smartwatch. At the rear, as you can see, there are a couple of sensors on this Boult Drift smartwatch. So you get the usual and the typical features that you find in any of the fitness trackers in the Indian market. So this includes the heart rate sensor, blood oxygen monitor, and so on. So you have a lot of features of that over here, as you can see. We have activity data, sleep tracking, the heart rate sensor, the even blood pressure sensor, blood oxygen sensor, and a lot more. So you also get a lot of updates. So if you link your smartphone with this, you can even track the weather, you can get message updates and so on. And this is the AI voice assistant feature. So you can just use this to wake up the voice assistant on your phone. And additionally, you also get remote camera sensor, stopwatch, and other such features. And additionally, a good thing about this Drift watch is the IP68 rating, so it makes it water resistant. So another unique feature and a powerful feature of this smartwatch is the Bluetooth calling feature. So as you can see, you can just accept calls over here, you can just receive calls right here or even decline them. So that was the new Boult Drift smartwatch. So as you can see, it comes with a lot of premium features and at an attractive price tag. So you can check out the detailed review at gizbot.com. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more and check out our website gizbot.com. Thank you.